Alright, what's up everybody? I got a real cool video for you today. We're going to go over the Urgamo Fit Pro. This is a body scale that they sent me. It's a smart scale. So there's an app. It measures 16 different body metrics. So there's a ton of different things you can do with this. And I'll show you guys what it is. We're going to unbox it. And I've never used it before. I've never seen it before. They contacted me to make this video, so I just want to show you guys. It looks pretty cool. It's got an awesome design, honestly. So let's open it up. I'm going to show you guys some B-roll of this too, so you guys can get a better look. But let's open it up here. We got our manual. We got some packaging here. Okay. And this is it. So, take it out of the plastic. Actually, this looks pretty slick. I mean, I don't know if I can get it in the camera too good, but that's the front of it. It's just a scale. It's got the little screen here, and then this is the back. But it's real thin. It's honestly, I don't even know how thin you can make a scale, but this is pretty thin. Honestly, I'll give this a 10 out of 10 for design because it's awesome. It's real slick. It looks new. It looks like something, you know, newer tech. It doesn't look old and bulky, but it looks nice. Let's put the batteries in this, and I'm going to turn it on. Okay, it takes 4 AA batteries. So while I'm doing this, I'm going to read off the 16 different body metrics that it does record. So obviously you got your weight. You got BMI, BMR, body water, body age, whatever that is, heart rate and heart index, balance, body fat, visceral fat, which is fat around your organs, subcutaneous fat, bone mass, skeletal muscle rate, muscle mass, protein rate, and baby mode. I'm not sure what baby mode is. Obviously, it's got something to do with a baby, weighing a baby. So I'm finishing up putting these little batteries in. Again, 4 AAAs, that's all you need. And let's put this back on there. Alright, so I plugged it up. Obviously, I'm not standing on it, but you can see the screen here. When I push on the little things, it has the weight go up. But this is what it looks like, right? Let's just go over the manual real quick, see if there's anything else that we need to know. Okay, so this is the screen display. It shows you where everything's at. Not sure if you can read that too good, but I'll take a picture and post it. That's what's all on the actual little screen you got. Okay. Again, guys, this is the first time I'm opening it up, so you guys are learning this with me. I've never used a smart scale, but honestly, it's pretty cool. I'm going to use it for sure. Let's go ahead and show you. This is where the app is. It's called Fit Days. So it's called the Fit Days app. It's blue with the F. This is what it looks like. Okay. They got it on the Google Play Store and on the Apple App Store. It's just saying you register, you accept the privacy agreement, and you put your email, password, and make an account. You got to make sure to put in the right gender, age, everything. Just be honest with it, because it can give you inaccurate measurements. So, just your gender, age, male, female, how old you are, and other different criteria that they want to know. Then you pair your scale with the Bluetooth, add a user, start to measure. So that's about it. Now, I'm not too familiar with all this different measurements. I mean, I know some of them, like the visceral fat, your BMI, your body mass, all that. But some of these things, I'm not sure what they are. But from all this that I'm reading here, it looks pretty solid. I mean, it keeps track of everything on the app. You don't have to do anything really. You just measure yourself, let it record all the stuff, and then you can see how you're progressing. Another thing here, you can sync your data with Google Fit, Fitbit, or Samsung Health. That's pretty cool, and it shows you how to do that. And that's about it. You got some FCC statements and privacy policies, stuff like that, but that's it. So again, guys, this is the Urgamo body scale. It's called the Fit Pro, and for, like I said, for design, this thing is honestly one of the coolest looking scales I've ever seen. Comment down below if you're into this stuff, if you've seen other ones that look cool like this, that can do everything that this one does. But for the price, guys, this is a pretty good scale. I'm gonna put links in the description so you guys can go ahead and check it out. It is affiliate link, so I will get a commission on every one of these that you guys buy. So if you want, that's a way to support the channel. But all I really ask is, if you enjoyed the video, just to subscribe, smash that like button, and turn on them post notifications. That's the best thing you can do to help out the channel. With all that said, I think I'm going to end this one out. Thanks for watching, everybody, and I'll catch you in the next one.